Hey guys, Rich the tool swing guy here. I'm going to just show a little bit of a vibration test with the bench grinder model tool swing. So I'm going to snap it up. I'm not going to crank it solid, I'm just going to leave it vibrating. This is an older bench grinder, it's not balanced much anymore. I've been using it for about 10 years. But you can see how much vibration it has. I'm going to hold that glass on there. I'm going to crank it solid. Takes all the vibration out. It's a stout platform. Took the bench grinder off just to show you guys. I'm just going to jump up on here. I'm about 210. She's a pretty solid platform. Plenty strong enough to hold a bench grinder and things like that.